So this is one of the food they have over here in Hope. And Guinea fowl light soup. Hello, brothers, sisters. How you doing? This is okro. Yes, I'm still discovering, and one of the food that I'm being told they eat over here much is yam fufu. So they eat a lot of yam fufu because they plant a lot of yam over here in Ho. So today's video is about yam fufu with Guinea fowl live soup, and Sister Ikuya, the free will be taking us through the process. Let's do this. If this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother, make sure you share the video. Yeah.
Okay, so and then we use the guinea fowl. We'll be using guinea fowl. Yeah. And then our guinea fowl is already roasted. Okay. So add a little bit water to the base because there is no water in it.
Okay. Okay. So this is homemade. She did everything by herself. Homemade seasoning.
Though it's in this bottle, but it's refilled. Yeah. So I will slide half onion on it.
So yam fufu is one of the local food over here in Water region, and they love it because, as I said, they plant yam over here, and it's very common and cheap. And they also have yam festival. So instead of cassava fufu, they use yam to represent. Though they have cassava fufu, but the yam is the most dominated one over here. So some garlic. Ginger. Yeah, so we'll start by grinding our ginger and garlic inside this earthenware bowl, a Sindaco yo-yo, aka local blender. Yeah, so we'll now add our just grinded ginger and garlic inside the steamed Guinea fowl. So this is a simple light soup cooking or boiling, yeah. And, you can also decide to add in fish if you want. Any meat of your choice, any fish of your choice, you can add it to it to make it more rich. But this is even rich already. We add salt to it. Yeah, so after 5 minutes, we're adding our tin tomatoes to it. Yeah. Basically, the tin tomatoes makes only gives color. Yeah. Okay. So we've steamed like the onion and everything is still like 10-15 minutes, and we're adding water to it. As I said, light soup. So light soup doesn't require much time, Powdered pepper. We're adding our tomatoes to it. This is fresh tomatoes, and we're boiling it inside with the meat and everything. Yeah, we also add our onions also. So we're making it full so that it boils inside very well. Okay, now we cover it for it to boil together. Over here too is avocado tree. Paya! This is paya tree, paya. And this is orange. Yeah. So Africa, we have good soil. Just like Jamaica. The whole place is full. Okay, tomatoes, yeah, there's tomatoes.
Cabbage is there, basil is there.
Yeah, so the whole place is full of isbane. Just like Jamaica, the whole land is full of food. Even on the roadside, the highway, you still see food. Hey, what is also on the mountains? There's plantain banana on the mountains. Wow. Yeah, so it'll be like 7 minutes, and the tomatoes is not ready. So we're taking them out, and we'll start grinding them. Grind everything together like this. So the tomatoes is not ready. Look how smooth it is. Really blender different than
different.
We're adding our just grinded tomatoes inside, and it's an option. You can choose to sieve the tomatoes, or you can place everything inside like that. But I love everything to be like this, rough. Anyway, yeah, a bit of water to the tomatoes, down to the earthenware bowl, and goes like that. The aroma coming. So now the onion, about to grind that also. So we're adding the garlic and ginger to it again for flavor, Yeah. It doesn't change or cost anything to add more onion, garlic, and ginger to your food. It's beneficial. So, bits of water. So this goes in like that. So light soup, it's any kind of soup, depends on how you want it. Either light or want it to be thick. So it's a choice, an option, you know. So this is one of the method. 60 quest method. Guinea fowl. Wow.
So you can choose to add more, that's it. More water if
you want it to be light.
You want it lighter than this.
But to boiling down.
So you add the water to your preference.
Okay. So this is optional. Yeah, this is optional, and to go in, you boil it like that. Divide into two. Yeah. Hey, gogomis. The gogomis is in the conjunction of the garden eggs.
Yeah, gogomis is also wrapping like.
You know. Hey, you do.
Gogomis no way no.
Each one. A nice dread. You be the one. But try. So garden eggs and okro. We now add our vegetables inside, garden eggs, okro, and some pepper. We added salt to it again because testify or bring back the taste. And salt is what's going to do that. So a bit of salt has been added to it. Yeah, so you can see that the soup is on process and on course as well. Anyway, light soup with guinea fowl, with it here. And it's a choice. You can choose to add meat to it, fish, and anything of your choice. Kako, Kobe, and everything. Then you leave it to boil for like 10-15 minutes.
So with yam fufu, it's different from cassava fufu. Yam fufu, you just prepare the quantity you'll be able to eat. You don't prepare and put some down.
Yeah.
Because when you prepare and you put some down, it will harden up.
Okay. So quick action. We don't
prepare and put some down.
Over here is some basil, and that will go inside the soup. So this is the soup. Yeah, so now the soup is ready, and we'll take it off fire. And it's the turn of the barrier. So this is what they use for the yam, pound of the yam. So this is different from the normal the other mortar that we have for the fufu or the cassava. This is different, but the pastry is the same. So this is mostly like the one that they use for the palm nuts to do a benkwan. So the yam is now ready, and we're about to start pounding it. We pour off the water, and it's the same water that we're using it to pound the fufu. Until the same water, no different one, because it's hotter now.
It makes the yam smoother as compared to normal
water. Oh, okay. So using the hot or the yam water makes the fufu smoother, the yam fufu smoother than the normal water. Wow. So everything is being poured inside, and we start by pounding it. I thought she was going to do it one, but no.
You don't place your hand in this mortar.
I can't place your hand in this mortar.
Because it's small, so the hand wouldn't get space.
Okay. But with this, it will not, you don't have lamps in it. No. Oh, okay. So basically, this is yam fufu, and yam fufu inside the estate house.
So with this, there wouldn't be lamb because while you are pounding it, it keeps turning
itself. Okay, cover. Okay.
So you are turning the ones and that will be
coming up. Okay. Either blender. Okay. Okay, so they can turn easily. You need to have a technique by pounding one side so that it can turn by itself. So it's turning, you see that it's turning by itself? Like the foam, no? Yeah. Yeah, so this is the final update. So this is yam fufu with Guinea fowl, peche, okro. Man, the fufu is ready. I set it. Okro. And this is the final concubines of Guinea fowl with pounded yam. By fufu inside whole. Mamma mia. One thing about pounded yam is that as soon as you get ready, you need to start eating it. If not, aboka. Wow. Man, it tastes nice. I'm here for local food. So this is a local food. inside whole. Incredible. This is the Queen Sano. This is the Queen Sano. Okro. And this is the Guinea fowl. Also in fufu. I mean, so where's fufu? Yeah, fufu. Jaya can you baby? Yeah, can you 50-50. The fufu. Your friend fufu. Buy fufu. You. So I confirm no vagabond pa. Amazing. Yeah, so that's it for today. Hope you like the video. If you enjoyed it, you've seen how Guinea fowl with live soup is done with the pounded yam from who. If this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a brother. Cooking with Sindaco, discovering food from Ghana. And it is what it is. Let's meet again for Shizzle Manizzle or Okro.